Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Phyllis, also known as Naturally Curly Crown, coming to you with another video. Hey you guys, we have a new video. Today I am going to be doing a, let's call it my Mother's Day look. Yeah, I'm gonna call it my Mother's Day look. And I am going to straighten my hair. I am going to straighten my hair. So I'm coming to you now just to show you the things that I have washed my hair and conditioned my hair with, and some of the tools that I'm going to be using and other products that I'm going to be using to straighten my hair. So first things first, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that button down below so that you'll be notified every time I upload videos. So we don't want to forget that. So y'all please subscribe, and thank you in advance. So let's just start off with the first step of the process, which is shampooing and conditioning my hair. So the two products I used was Melanin. I used both of these. This was my first time using the shampoo. I decided to use shampoo because I wanted to get all the gunk and everything out of my hair. I haven't shampooed my hair in 2 weeks, or not shampoo, but co-wash my hair in 2 weeks. I have been putting gel. My hair has been up in a bun, and I've been putting gel in my hair every other day. So I needed to get all that gunk and everything out of my hair. And also I wanted to kind of lose some of the moisture so that my hair wouldn't frizz back so much when I straighten it. So I decided to use Melanin, and this is what this is. This is my first time. I bought this back a while ago, and I've never used it because right after I bought it, I decided that I was not going to be shampooing my hair as much, and I wanted to just co-wash and maybe shampoo once a month. So that's what I've been sticking to for the last few months. You guys, I used this, and this made my hair feel like something I've never felt before. I mean, my hair felt stripped, sticky, and everything else. It really did. I feel that my scalp and everything is clean, but my hair just felt so different. I mean, it felt so stripped and like no moisture at all, and it just felt like I could not get a comb through it if I tried. I didn't even try that because the way it felt, it was like my hair was just so stripped and dry, and it was just like I didn't like the way it felt. So I did shampoo my hair twice with this, and then I went in with the Melanin conditioner. And this is a multi-use softening leave-in conditioner, and you can also use it as a conditioner to wash out. And I use it, I've used this before as a leave-in conditioner as well. I love this product, you guys. This product is really, really good. I really like it. And when I use this after the shampoo, oh my God, the moisture, the softness, everything came back into my hair. It's like my hair just sprung back to life. And so this was really good. It had a lot of slip. It was easily to get a comb through my hair and just kind of detangle it and get it back to where it needs to be after shampooing, because that shampoo was like no joke. But I will continue to use that shampoo. I did like the way my hair felt with it, the tingling in my scalp. I didn't like the way my hair felt. I didn't. But I did like the way that I could get into my scalp and get that lather going. And my scalp did feel tingly, and it felt really cleansed and fresh. So I did like that. But the hair part of it, it was just like, oh my God, I gotta get this out. So this was a lifesaver, and I really like this conditioner. And the fact that it's multi-use makes it even better. And I've seen several reviews on this product, and a lot of people have said the same thing, how it just really strips your hair. But this right here, Okay, and this has no sulfate, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oils, no phthalates, phthalates, and no formaldehyde. What is it? Formaldehydes. There you go. It doesn't have any of that stuff in it. So this is a really good product. It's just that this really here is going to really strip your hair and clarify your hair. And that's what I really wanted, since I'm going to be straightening my hair. I don't think I would ever use this when I'm just doing a regular wash day with my curls. No, but for, you know, stuff like, you know, what I'm using it for, you know, or to really cleanse my hair and get all that gunk out, yeah, I would use this. So, but yeah, this was something. This was amazing. Alrighty, and then for the deep conditioning, I went in with Texture ID Deep Treatment Mask. And this has the sweet almond oil, sweet protein, and honey. And this restores strength and hydration. So I wanted to use this because I really like this deep conditioner. I let this stay on my hair for about about an hour. I let this stay in my hair for an hour. And y'all, I love this stuff. This stuff's, you know, here, smell it. This stuff smells so good, and I really like it. It smells really fresh, and I just love the way my hair feels after I use this. So I really, really like this. So moving on to the products to straighten my hair. I feel like what I just showed you was products to get my hair ready to be straightened. You know, just get it cleansed, get it conditioned, get it ready, give it a lot of strength, give it a lot of not moisture, but give it a lot of strength and a lot of preparation. Just get it ready for that heat that's about to hit my hair. So I decided that I wanted to try this Texture ID mousse, and this is a thermal multi-styling foam. And again, this has sweet protein and argan oil, and this is for wavy to coily hair types. And this is what this bad boy looks like. This is my first time using this, and so I'm really excited about using it. I plan on putting this in my hair along with the John Frieda Freeze Is original serum for medium to thick hair. And this is to expert soothing with humidity resistant and heat protection. So I wanted to use this one. Most of the reviews I've seen have been using the purple one, but I just wanted to use the medium to thick hair because that's pretty much what mine is. I don't have the really thick, coarse type 4 hair. And so I just went with the original one, so hopefully this works. But yeah, I wanted to use this. And then also, I got the Pantene Heat Primer. And this is thermal heat protectant, and it helps protect hair up to 450 degrees. So I wanted to use this. So y'all, I am just going, you have to shake this up before you use it. So I just wanted to try, I think what I'm gonna do is, let me show you the tools first and then we'll get into this. So I just bought this Thermaline Ceramic 1875 Pro hair dryer. It's really cute, it's really chic and black and red, and it's just really nice. And it has hot, warm, and cool, and yeah, and this goes up to 1875. See that. So I got that. And then y'all, I bought this one around Christmas time. It popped up on my not my Instagram, but my Facebook. And I saw this and I was like, well, let me try this. And so this is the Lang, I think it's called. That's the name right there. And this is like a heating brush. And let me show you the box. This is the box. I think I've already showed this, but this is the box here. And this goes up as adjustable temperature all the way up to 450. It says it's an easy grip. It has a swizzle. This right here. It's gonna go wherever you go, however you know, doing your hair. It reduces risk of damage. Let's see. Yeah, so It says no matter what hair types you have, straight, wavy, or curly, it boosts the power of straightener with the simplicity and ease of hairbrush. And so, yeah, preserves moisture for healthy hair. So these are all of the pros and everything that it says that it does. And so after I purchased this, I saw another one that had the comb on it. I don't remember the name of it, but it has the comb on it. And that one is the one I'm thinking I should have gotten. But I had already purchased this, and so I was like, well, I'm just going to try this and give it a try and see what happens. If this doesn't work, then I went ahead and got my Baby Bliss Pro. I went ahead and pulled this bad boy on out. Just in case this doesn't work. So we will see. Alrighty, so I've already deep conditioned. I kind of wanted my hair to dry out a little bit. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. And I'm just gonna go ahead and section this off. Alrighty, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the mousse, and I'm not going to put a whole lot in, but enough to, you know, put this in. And I went and looked at some reviews on the Freeze-Is, and they say don't use a lot because it can make your hair weighed down. So I'm just going to use just a little bit, just about that much right there. You always want to use some kind of heat protectant when you blow dry and straighten your hair. You have to protect your hair, because this heat is no joke on natural hair, or any hair for that matter. So you always want to use some type of heat protectant on your hair. So I'm using 3 different things. A heat primer. I should have put the heat primer on first before I did the mousse, but we're gonna see what happens here. Let me shake it up like it said. Alrighty. So let me go ahead and get all my products on, and well, I'm gonna dry my hair first, and then I'll turn on everything. Try to keep it so it won't get so hot in here. Because oh my God, that's the one thing I hate about doing my hair. Is when doing this type of style is when it gets hot. So the brush that I'm using, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Denman brush. I've been seeing a lot of women, they just use their Denman brush to straighten their hair. So that's what I'm gonna do as well. Y'all see that ugly face as I was trying to blow dry my hair? That was the hardest thing. I do not like blow drying my hair. But here's the finished results here. I got both sides, and it came out pretty straight, straighter than it normally does. So I think the 3 products that I used really worked. The only thing is my hair did feel a little sticky. So I think on some parts of it, I was going back in and putting more product in, and I think it just made my hair feel a little bit sticky. So you don't need a lot of it. So here I'm just trying to straighten that part out, my roots out up there at the top, just straighten that out some. But yeah, you guys, I do not like blow drying my hair, but it came out pretty good, and so I was happy. It came out straighter than it normally does. Okay, guys, so we're getting ready to use this brush, and I'm just going to tell you right off the bat, I didn't like it at all. I did not like it. It did not straighten my hair as much as I wanted it to be straightened. I felt like if I had to just went with this brush, my hair would have been really frizzy within that day. As you can see, you can kind of see how uh, it looks. I mean, it didn't do too much more straightening than I did when I blow dried my hair. So I had to end up going ahead and getting my Baby Bliss flat iron and using that to straighten my hair. So I'll let you see a little bit more of what the brush did, and then we'll go into the flat iron. But yeah, y'all, I did not like this brush at all. It really didn't do anything, and it's so weird because it went all the way up to 450. So you would think that my hair would have gotten more straighter than what it was, but it didn't. And you can just kind of see, you can already kind of see the frizziness in it already. So yeah, and I did a lot of passes, you guys. Like I said, when I straighten my hair, I like for my hair to be bone straight. So I do at least 5 or 6 passes. I'm just gonna be real with you guys. I'm just gonna be real. I do at least 5 or 6 passes to my hair because I want my hair to be straight. So yeah, I didn't like the brush.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. It came out straighter than it normally does when I do my own hair. And I'm very excited about that. It is so hot in there, you guys. It was so burning up in there. But anyway, I love the way my hair came out. It came out really nice. I feel that the way I shampooed my hair, condition, deep condition, and all the products that I use to straighten my hair all work together, and this was the best result. So I'm really excited about how my hair came out. So I will definitely come back on the next day and let you see how it looks after I get myself together, because I want you to see with the curls and everything. So we will definitely be back on tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm very happy with the results of my hair, especially with me doing it all by myself. You didn't have to go to the beauty shop. So I'm very excited about that. So I just want to say be blessed, be well, and be you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.